Let me go ahead and break down and give y'all some money advice. Just because you bringing in a lot of money do not mean you still ain't gonna be living check to check. There's a lot of people I know that make hundreds of thousands of dollars and they still live check to check because every time they get the money, they ain't saving it. It's going right out the back door. As soon as they get it in, it's going out the back door for stuff they already spent it on before it even got there. So if you making a whole lot of money and you don't know how to save money, put it in somewhere, whether it's in a bank, I don't care where you put it, but you saving money, then you ain't doing nothing. You just making money and it's going right out the back door. So you still living check to check. There's poor people out here that's millionaires that y'all think got it like that. They don't got it like that. They still living check to check with all the revenue they got coming in. They spending it before it even get there. So that's just some advice right there. When you get your money, you save it.